Welcome to Real Life's Journey. The adventure continues. Salukot Mountain Resort has cottages that you can rent by day or also overnighters. The entrance fee during the day is 100 pesos and overnight is 150 pesos. You can even rent overnight cottages and open cottages during the day. My time here in the Philippines has been totally amazing, and I love every moment that I am here, and I wouldn't change a thing. Here we are at another location at Salukot Mountain Resort, located in North Cotabato, Mindanao, Philippines. We should have a good parking spot. Parking area. You need one, especially for here. Salukot, malukot.
Salukot, hindi ka paliko. Ba't hindi mami niya ang mga bari?
We're gonna park the spot here.
Let's go. Wala ka suot. Sila ni ate niya ni Kurtisay ka. Kaya magpula man ang yapo ko. Walang sabang ko dyan. Kung natutunan din. Silang parat-ram ka dito.
Sun is shining, and of course I'm not even wearing suntan. I'm gonna get burnt again. Here we are, Salukot Mountain. That's the entrance right here. So we got Bigfoot, got Iron Man. Oh my God. This is a grand view. And you got two swimming pools there. This is something else. So you got Mountain Ridge, and then another one further on, as you can see, and then another one further on. Look at this guy. What do you think of that guy, eh?
Sagittarius.
Hey? There you go, Aiden. You're in the heart with 2 parrots. Wow.
Say hi, Aiden.
Say hi, Aiden.
Say hi to the camera.
Say hi.
Oh.
Aiden is he really likes to get going. Aiden, look up here.
Look up.
Look at Daddy. Say hi. Hi. He said his hi and he's out of there. Well, he's got the big hand there. He wants to see the hand. Mountain Resort. Salukot Mountain Resort. I think Kulas and Kumandadao were here at one time, if I remember correctly. I think. My goodness, eh? Okay, there they are.
Yeah. We have one another drone.
Yeah, I see it. And well, after seeing the Mini 3 go up, I decided to fly my drone, the Mini 4 Pro. And here you guys go. Beautiful view. Salukot Mountain Resort has cottages that you can rent by day or also overnighters. The entrance day rate fee is 100 pesos per person, and overnighter entrance fee is 150 pesos per person. As for this resort location, I would most definitely come back here again. I would encourage you all to check this place out. It's a place to come and enjoy. Now, there's one thing about being in the Philippines and flying your drone. You become an instant celebrity, and everybody that's in the area wants their picture taken by the drone. And here they come crowding around me just to get their picture taken, which is totally awesome. Well, here at Salukot Mountain View Resort, they have the infinity pools. What a better way to enjoy and relish the beauty of God's creation and having a dip in the flowy spring water where kids and adults can enjoy the refreshing dip. swimming in pools.